Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of September 18th through the 24th, which is week 38 of 2023 in my Aura Estelle B6 Daily Classic. Getting very chunky there, but I am really loving it. For this week, I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. I think it's called Tropical Summer, but I'm not totally sure. It'll be down below because I can't remember the name of anything. But it has all this very like tropical plumeria kind of vibes for it. And this week we are going to be in Hawaii for pretty much the whole week. So I figured that it would make sense to use this kit. So for this week, the only thing I pulled in to help is this mild liner in green. It's this kind of like bright green color. It doesn't exactly match any of the green in here, but I thought it still went with the kind of bright vibes and I thought it would work. So I think my plan is to use kind of like a messy all caps font, kind of like this summer, to put things in, but I'm just gonna start filling stuff in. There's not gonna be a lot filled in, to be honest, in the pre-planning, but we're gonna do our best. So I'm gonna fill some stuff in, put in the dates and whatever, and then I will be right back for us to do the interesting bits. Okay, so I got this all done, did a little scribbly thing. I did make the Y look like a Y lowercase just to kind of give it a little bit more fun vibes. Hopefully this turned out okay. We'll see how this goes. To get started with, I am gonna pull in this kind of like longest strip here, if I can get it off of this page, which I don't know how well I cut it, to be honest. But we're gonna figure it out as we go. But I'm gonna try to stick this down. Don't need the scrippy scraps, thank you very much. There we go. Stick this down here. I'm not really gonna have a task list for this week because it's vacation, and who needs a task list on vacation? Doesn't go quite to the bottom, but I feel like it's close enough. It's not really noticeable or a problem. And then I'm gonna take one of these boxes here, and I'm just gonna fill it in like right here so that I can just note that we're in Hawaii, and then we'll see if I fill anything in there. We'll work it out when we get there. On Monday, I'm gonna use this box. This is actually the main reason that I picked this kit here, because we're definitely getting towards fall weather. This is gonna be the first technical week of fall with the autumn equinox. But I thought this less Monday, more summer was perfect because instead of doing work, I'm getting more summer vibes in Hawaii. So that is Monday. That's all I know for Monday. I think we maybe booked a hike, but I'm not sure which day we booked it. So I'm not gonna fill anything in right now, and we'll figure that out. Tuesday, I think I wanna use one of the bathing suit stickers. Let's see, maybe this one. I'm gonna try to kind of like move the boxes around the page a little bit. There we go. And then on Tuesday, I did pull in, this is like all my Dollar Tree stickers. And I think I have, right here, we have some planes in one of these sticker sets. I think I'm gonna pull in the hot pink one with the purple flowers. Not exactly the same flowers, of course, but I think it's close enough and it's gonna work just fine. So I am gonna stick that probably like right here. We are flying between islands on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I feel like I need one of these kind of like tropical, maybe this one. There we go. I'm gonna stick that down here in this corner, I think. There we go. No idea about Wednesday, what's going on there. We'll have to see. And then I want to put in, let's see, Thursday. Maybe right there. And then Friday, maybe this one. I don't have anything scheduled for like most of this time, so we'll stick it down there. There we go. So it's obviously not even between the two since I cannot line things up. I have nothing really scheduled, so not a lot to fill in right now for sure. And then I am gonna fill in, I think down here on Saturday, and then this one can go in the bottom on Sunday. I do have all these like strips left. I'm not going to use any of them right now because I'm not sure where I want to use things and all that kind of stuff. But I am going to pull in, I think this one over here, like right here, to put in our flights. They go from the afternoon through the rest of the trip. So we're gonna have a little time here for like fun things and then travel the rest of the time. Ooh, I do have to put in here on Friday. I forgot to note that we have a flight scheduled then too between islands. I think I'm going to keep using these tropical ones just because I have them and they're fun. I think I'm going to use this pink one. Because why not? We don't get to use these kind of tropical ones that often. So I am going to stick one of these in. I don't remember what time our flight is, but I think there will be good enough. Okay, so then we have our long flight back home on Saturday, and then I'm going to use this one most of Sunday as well. We land Sunday morning in our time zone, and then we have another flight to get the rest of the way home. So gonna put those in for our flights. Not sure what else we're doing, probably some grocery shopping in here, and that covers all of Sunday. Not sure what's going on here, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. So that's my super quick pre-planning for right now, since we don't know a lot, but I will flip through very quickly and we will fill in all the details once we get back, and then you can see the finished spread. So stick around for just a second. All right, here are the finished spreads. It's very strange, but I actually can show you the entire week in this setup, so that's very exciting. I did use up everything from this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. I also used up the few leftovers I had from the previous week, which you'll see the plan with me after this plan with me, but it was from Life with Mayra, so that one's used up as well. All of that is going away, which is very exciting. If I don't mention it, it did come from that kit from Pretty Planner Printables. The pen is a zebra mild liner. This But First Vacation comes from a Happy Planner book. This guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy are all Dollar Tree stickers, some pretty old ones that I've had in my stash for a while. This one comes from a Paper Studio Agenda 52 book I got from Hobby Lobby. This is from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover from a Recollections planner. It's stickers that came with the planner. I still have some, so that's one of those. And then this is a leftover from that Life with Mayra kit. And the washi is from AliExpress. Moving on to Tuesday, another Creative Cavern Studio, another Agenda 52, as is that one, and a Dollar Tree, and a leftover from that Life with Mayra kit. And then on Wednesday, this is an Agenda 52, Dollar Tree, Creative Cavern Studio, and another one of those leftovers from the Life with Mayra kit. So super cute spreads, I think, and turned out really colorful and fun. I like that I have all these Dollar Tree stickers that are very tropical, which was perfect for this trip to Hawaii. On to the Thursday and Friday. This is another Creative Cavern Studio. A bunch, these two are Dollar Tree, and these two down here at the bottom are Dollar Tree. And then this is an Agenda 52 sticker. This one is from a Happy Planner book, and then another one of those leftovers from that Life with Mayra kit. And then on Friday, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. And then this one is from an Agenda 52 book. I really used a lot of those Dollar Tree stickers just because they were themed so well and the colors really matched. And then finally onto the weekend. This is from the Happy Planner. These two are from Dollar Tree, and this is another Creative Cavern Studio. And then over here, this is all just stuff from the kit. I did trim some excess washi into a little flag just to make it cute. I am currently still in Sunday. I'm actually doing this item on this checklist. I've got quite a bit of other stuff still left to do in filming, editing, stuff like that. But I'm gonna get as much done tonight as I can so that I'm hopefully caught up. And you will see everything on time for the most part, and you'll at least be seeing videos on a regular schedule. So that's all for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know if you've ever been to Hawaii or you live in Hawaii. What are your favorite things that you've done? If you want to go, is there anything in particular you're excited about? Or let me know about your own vacation plans. I'd love to hear about those. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz so you can see in progress and finished spreads of this planner, my book planner, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.